Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up recharge and resume on MOVA V50 Ultra. Recharge and resume is a feature that makes the robot go to the dock station automatically during cleaning if the battery level is too low, and then it automatically resumes once it finishes charging. That option is great to enable if you don't want to need to trigger the robot to clean. You don't want to have any input, you just turn on the robot and it starts doing stuff. But if you don't want it to resume after charging because for whatever reason you just want to resume it manually, then you can click on three dots in the top right corner, and then there will be the more functions right here, and then you'll find resume cleaning mode that you can enable, but it will not work during the do not disturb mode. So if you have do not disturb mode set, then it won't resume during that do not disturb mode. Probably it resumes after the do not disturb period is finished. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.